Hi guys, thank you for coming back. It's the midweek tutorial. Today's tutorial is to answer some of your questions about how to make a ruffle dress. Today we are going to learn it together. Thank you my old subscribers. Thank you for subscribing already. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to the family. Remember to subscribe now, leave your comments, give my video a thumbs up, because it's going to help this channel to grow and to help this video to reach so many people. Let's start now.
Welcome my beautiful people. Today we are going to make a ruffle dress on this fabric that you can see. This is the front side of it, but we will not turn it to the wrong side. That is the back side now to start our measurement. So let's turn it out so that we start our measurement now. So this is it. I'm trying to fold the front side, that is the front cutting that we want to cut. The wrong side of the fabric, that is the back side. So I've folded it. So this is it. So let's start with the measurements. So this is it now. So we'll start from the shoulders. I'm chalking it because this is where we'll start from the measurements. So the measurements, the length, we are marking 35 on the length. So I'm marking 35 with the tape rule. 35. So you roll it. So this is the 35. So let's start with the measurement. So you start from the shoulder. So I'm marking the shoulder. So this is the shoulder. So you mark the shoulder to get your armhole. This is the armhole. So that is it. So the shoulder that I've marked, you mark it by 2, not by 4 when doing the shoulder. So the shoulder is 15, that is 7.5. So I have the straight line. So this line that you are seeing here is 7 that I marked. That's where we'll get our bust measurement. So you will not divide your bust measurement by 4. So I'm dividing my bust measurement by 4. The bust measurement here is 32. So divide 32 by 4. What will it give you on your tape rule? It will give you 8. So this is 8 here that I'm marking. And remember to add your allowance. So I'm adding allowance of 2. So that is it. So from your shoulder to your half length, the half length is 15. So I'm marking 15 here. So that is it. So under your half length, that's when you have your waist measurement. So waist measurement is 26. Divide 26 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 6.5 on your tape rule. So you mark. Remember to add your dart allowance, because we want to put dart on the dress. So I'm adding 1 inch to the dart. After adding 1 inch to the dart, before you now add your allowance. So that is it. I've added it, the allowance. So you have done with the measurement of the waist. So to the hip, you measure from the shoulder again with your tape rule to get your hip line. My hip line that I'm measuring here, I'm measuring it with 23. So I'm marking 23. So this is 23, and you roll it out. So that's where you now make your hip measurement. The hip measurement here is 34. So divide 34 by 4. What will it give you on your tape? It will give you 8.5. 8.5. What I mean 8.5 is 8.5. That 0.5 that you are hearing is half. So this is it. So remember to add your allowance again. I'm adding 2 on it. You now come to the down side, that the hemline. You subtract 3 from that 34. What will you now have? You have 31. So 31 divided by 4, what will it give you on your tape rule? It will give you 7.5. After that 7.5, you have that 0.2, that is 7.75. So you add it there and add your allowance. I'm adding 1.5 in the allowance side at the hemline. So we're done with the measurement, just for you to connect it now. So I'm connecting it. This is it. From the bust to the waistline, from the waistline to the hip line. I hope you can see it clear. From the hip line to the hemline, like the bottom line. So that is it. We are done with the measurements. So we'll come back to the upper side, that is the shoulder side, to get our neckline. So I'm marking 3. I'm marking 3, breaking it to the cleavage, like the down side of the neck. I'm marking 4.5, that is 4.5. What neck are we doing? We are doing a round neck. So I'm marking it round. And don't forget to slant the shoulder side, and slanting it by ½ inch. So we have done. Slant it with ½ inch on your shoulder. So let's cut it out. This is it. I'm cutting it out. Watch my video and subscribe. Comment. Your comment will be noticed. So I'm cutting it. This is the cutting. Watch the video. Subscribe. Watch it again and again so that you can make it for yourself. It's a raffle dress that we are trying to make. So you will see it after we have done, how it will look like. So that is it. That's the front part. We are done with the front part. We are done with the front part. So now I want to cut the back side of it. So you fold it. After folding, you give an allowance for the zip because it will have zip at the back. So I'm trying to fold it to get the size that we want. So you just take the front side and lay it and give an inch to the zip allowance. I'm giving it 1.5 at the zip allowance. Yes, that is it. We are done. Just want to cut it out. So I'm cutting it. So this is it. This is the back side that we are cutting now. I just laid the front side on it to get the zip allowance and cut. So we are doing the cutting now. So that is it. So this is the back neck. Watch and subscribe and try and make it for yourself too. It will come out nice. So this is it. So for the front neck, I've not cut it out, so now I'm cutting it out now. That is the front side of the neck. Yes, so you can see now, this is the front side, this is the back neck, this is the back side, and we'll now open the zip, the side of the zip. So I'm opening it because it will have a zip like the back side. So we're done with the cutting. So this is it. This is the front side. This is the back side. So when sewing, this is how you will sew. I'm just showing you how it will look. You lay it. And we are putting lining. We are lining it. For the cloth is light bit, so we'll line it. So this, I'm just showing you how what I will do when sewing. So you just, after lining it, this is how you now join the front and the back and you get your dress. After making the dress, before we now do that our ruffle dress stuff that we want to put, and you will see it after doing everything.
I believe you learned one or two things from today's tutorial that you can use. No one knows it all. Keep on developing your skills with my video tutorials. Watch my tutorials. Guys, remember to subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. Share, comment. Your feedback is very important here. Give my videos a thumbs up because it's going to help this channel to grow, and I believe that's what you wish for this channel. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, guys.